Hi everyone, today in this video training, I'm going to show you how to install Ella multipurpose Shopify theme, and I'm going to set up the demo data like this store. Here you can see it's a beautiful fashion store. Let me show you the demo. A very nice banner, categories, and lots of other things. It's a perfect store for selling clothes. Fashion store. Okay, and by the end of this video, you will come to know about how to set up this demo data. Okay, and if you don't have this theme, I will provide a link in the video description below. You can follow that link and come over here to purchase. It's the popular theme on ThemeForest. Here you can see over 45,000 stores are using this theme. Okay friends, so let's see how to install this theme. Here, I'm on the dashboard of my Shopify store. Just come over here and click themes. Okay, let's get back to the admin panel of Shopify. Here I am. To install the theme, navigate to online store and click on it. Okay, here you can see the default theme, but we need to import the zip file of our theme. So here you can see import theme. Just click on it and here you can see upload zip file. Just click upload zip file, and from here we are going to navigate to the downloaded zip file. Just click add file and you can see this. Once you download, you will get this zip file. Just unzip the file and you will see something like that. Just go over here. Here you can see style theme, and here is the theme Ella Shopify. Go inside it and here is the zip file Ella 6.7.6 theme resources. Just select the theme and click open. Here is the file. Click upload file. Okay, the theme is installing. Here you can see. Well friends, the theme installation process is done, and here you can see two buttons, publish and customize. So click on publish. Click publish, and this store will use this Ella theme right now. Okay, let me show you the demo of this theme. Just click view your store and here it is. But the problem is we need to install a specific demo. Okay, now let me show you how we can set up the demo templates like this. Okay, here you can see the list of demo it has, and you will see this here, the link live preview. Just click on live preview. You will come over here. Here you will see the demos. Okay, this one we are going to install. This one high fashion, and it is 4 home 4 home 4. Okay, now I'm going to access the file. Now here you can see the Ella Shopify theme files. Just click on it, go inside. Here you can see Ella Shopify. Click on it, go inside. Here you can see demo data, and here you can see home page. Go over there, and here is home 4 high fashion. Just go over there, and here you will see 4 files. The first one is index.json. Just click over here, open, and according to your operating system, you can press Command A or Control A to select all the code and click copy. Click Control C or Command C. Okay, just get back to the admin panel, and here you can see 3 dots. Just click on it and you can see edit code. Just click edit code. Okay, here you can see templates. Just click on templates, and just I'm going to look for here index.json, and here you can see index.json. Just click on it and it will open index.json file. Just again select all the file, Command A or Control A, press backspace, and you will just paste the code you have got from the demo data. Just Command C to copy it and paste here. Okay, now here on the right you can see save button. Just click save. The file is saved. Now if you refresh this page, you will see difference. You will see difference. Okay, that's great. and again go to the demo data. Here you can see. Now I'm going to open this file, setting data. Just click on it. Select all the file, Control C or Command C, and come over here, search for setting, and here you can see setting data.json. Just click on it, select all the file, backspace, and again Control V. Just replace and hit save. Okay, now again access. This time I'm going to replace this on header group. Just open the file, select the file and copy it. Come over here and search for header group. And this is the file, click on it. Again, select all file, press backspace, Command V, and save it. And again, go over here, this time footer group. Just open it, select all code, copy it, come over here, search for footer, and here you can see footer group. Just click on it and open footer-group.json. Select all file, backspace, Command V. Okay, just come over here, just hit save. So friends, I have replaced data of index.json, setting data.json, header group.json, footer group.json. Now let me refresh this page. Okay, here you can see it completely looks like this one. Here you can see. Just you need to replace your data. So that's all about this video training. I will provide all the links in the video description. Check all of this. If you need paid support, you can contact me. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.